Hi everybody, welcome back to March Madness. We're getting through it, we're doing so well, and I hope you've been keeping up, and hey, maybe even you've been trying the moves. We are here at the Wayland Scout Hall today to do the recording of today's March Madness, which is neck pull. So it's kind of similar to rolling up and rolling down, and a little bit different. So we are going to start on our back, and we have our hands behind our head. So not clasped, just either side. Like if you have a hand tight, just either side of your hand tight, and your elbows come down. Okay, we're going to come rolling up, and we're going to stay in the curl position, and we are going to bring our forehead towards our knees, pulse. And we are going to come up, we're going to hinge here, so very strong through the core, chest to the ceiling, hinge, and then curl. Alright, let's do that again. So we chin to the chest, we curl up, we stay curled, we bring forehead to the knees, we come up, and then we hinge, and then we curl. I'm going to do one more of these. Chin to the chest, curling, stay curl, pulse, and up nice and tall, hinge, and down. And that is the Pilates Neck Pull. I'll see you again tomorrow for the next installment of the OG Joseph Pilates repertoire. And what an amazing man and what an amazing sport he created. I am